What if a little-known Amex transfer partner could stretch your points far more than you expect? This lesser-known airline partner often unlocks award flights for far fewer points. Step 1. Check your membership rewards balance and confirm transfer eligibility. Step 2. Open Amex Transfer Partners, find the specific partner, and review their award chart. Step 3. Initiate the transfer from Amex to the partner and note transfer times and minimums. Now let's run an on-screen example to show the real value and comparison. Example 1. Using this partner, a typical domestic award can cost far fewer points than other routes. In our example, that equals roughly double the cents per point value compared to transferring elsewhere. Compared to other Amex partners, this route can cut your point spend by up to half in many cases. Quick tips. Always check award availability, transfer minimums, and any carrier fees before sending points. Try it now. Log into Amex, search Partner Award Space, and do a small test transfer first. Follow for more transfer tips and check the caption for a downloadable checklist and next steps.